Hey guys, it's Thirsty Thursday. I'm back. I'm sorry I've been gone for a little while, but I had a request for linen closets. Ray Hickman, this is for you. And I did my aunt's. She has a huge linen closet and she's struggling with decluttering. And I'm going to mention that. Remember, it's a decluttering muscle. That's what we call it. And you get stronger each time. And it takes a while to get to that point. Do the best that you can. Remember, even a little bit is better. If you got rid of a little bit of stuff, that's fine. And there's also trash everywhere you go. She said there's no trash in there. We got rid of some trash. There's always trash when you go to declutter some space, be it a shelf, a drawer, a closet, your car, whatever. So stay tuned to the end, if you will, because then you get to see my closet. All right? I'm a little obsessive, as you know. So if you stayed at the very end, you get to see my closet. But this is my aunt's closet, and I helped her declutter it. And it only took us 75 minutes, an hour and 15 minutes. And then she was in the mood to keep going. So I didn't film it, but we did 2 more dressers of stuff that she keeps things in, antique dressers in the spare room. And she got rid of more stuff. So there you go. We ended up with 2 whole boxes I donated. And then I took a bedding set from my bed that I might use and a whole bag of trash. So it was great. And she moved some things to other places. And I always tell her, where would you look for this first? Did you know you even had it? Okay, enough about that. Have a great Thursday and a great weekend. And thank you for stopping by. My name's Lori. All things cats, decluttering, and comedy. That's my channel. And I appreciate it if you like this video. You give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. And comment below. There's no cobblers left, right? Does anybody have anywhere they take their shoes to get fixed? Apparently these guys are all dying out and you can't get your shoes fixed anywhere, right? I mean, that's kind of sad, but shoes are so disposable. Now, I guess nobody spends enough on shoes to justify getting them fixed. Let me know. Comment. Love you guys. And remember, you've got this. What? Okay, guys, I'm here in Avon Park. I'm going to help my aunt with her linen closet because she moved into her beautiful home. And she didn't have time to organize it, so she just threw everything in it. And we're going to go through it. Now, some people do it differently, but she likes to pull everything out and see what she's got and then see if it's something she wants to keep, donate, sell, or put in another place that might go in a different location. So we're going to pull everything out and then we're going to organize it. So we're going to take you along for the ride. This is how tall would you say this is, Kim?
8 feet.
8 feet. This is an 8 feet high custom-made linen closet. It's beautiful with slider doors. This is amazing. She has a lot of storage because she doesn't have much storage in her house now, so she uses this. We're going to decide what she wants to use it for. Yeah, and then she's got her cowboy boots down here. We have some southern parts of Florida, just so you know. All right. All right, guys, come along. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the first thing we do is, do you see anything immediately that you can get rid of? Okay, we're finding linens and we're finding kitchen stuff. So we're going to have to find a place for the kitchen linens in here. And I'm going to get her to go through them. We got sidetracked by some rugs. But that's okay. She's looking to see if the rugs will go in the kitchen better than the other ones. So that will be less stuff in here. Okay, we'll keep going. There's stuff way up high we can't reach. We'll have to get help. All right, I think these are gifts, maybe?
Yeah.
Gift?
Yes. And I actually have a gift bucket in the other room.
Is it full? Okay, is it full or do we need to?
No, I just need to.
We'll have room in here for your gifts if you want to do them in here. Or do you like them in the other closet?
We'll see.
Just to have some room in here to put other things if you. So be looking at some of these linens and see if there's anything that you don't want.
Yeah.
Or if it's raggedy, I'll take it to the animal shelter. I don't think you got anything raggedy in here.
No, because I got rid of most of them that were raggedy.
Okay. How'd you like the rugs?
Huh?
Do you like the bigger ones in there?
Only, I do like them. Only, and there's there's 2 as opposed to having 3.
Yeah, and it gets
But
better.
they'll be harder to wash, but that's okay.
The only thing, Dennis is so cute. The only thing he said, don't get rid of my beach towels. I love these things. Scented things in your closet are wonderful. Scented what? Sachets?
Yeah.
Boucher, sachet. All right, we'll roll those back up. But we can put those up high too.
Yeah.
Oh, I found your candles.
Those are all candles.
Candles!
Be careful, I knocked it off one day and broke the container that was in one of them.
Yeah.
So,
There's glass in there maybe?
oh, I forget. No,
This
I
is
meant, don't knock it.
Don't knock it over again?
That's become Dennis's, bath towel. Cause it's a beach towel, but it's big,
Yeah.
and he's so big, it's like,
I hate
the other
that.
ones he used to do 3 of them to get dry,
I know.
you know?
I finally bought a couple of the bigger bath. The bigger bath sheets work better. Okay, so we'll look at this. Is there any candles you want to? Because this is a container. We're doing good. Okay. So we
Those
just
are-
refold these.
Those are all beach. Yeah, I just need to fold them all the same direction.
Because that's how I like it too. That's how I don't land a bunch out. Yeah, see that we do have a little OCD because we like them all folded the same way. And there's nothing wrong with that, people, right? We just like it. It has to have a purpose. It has to look right. We all have something. Okay. So we're down to some quilts.
Those are all quilts.
Okay. This is taking less time than I thought it would. Right? You never know until you get in there. We gotta put it all back.
Look at that. My
Oh,
quilt.
sure, that's pretty. Now who made that's a quilt top?
Yeah, it's a quilt top.
Yeah.
And it's got,
This is pretty. It's all hand stitched. How old do you think that is?
I don't know, probably 30s.
1930s?
Yeah, it's all hand stitched.
Now where did you get that?
I don't remember.
That's pretty.
Oh, I know. I got it in Arcadia.
Oh. Piles. We got crafts started. She does a lot with these are really cute. And then we've got kitchen stuff. And then we've got candles and smellies right over here. Okay, and then we're gonna make a pilot. We've already got some trash. Yay! Okay.
There's a whole thing about this kind of quilt. They have the red stitching.
It's the red stitching on the quilt. It's a quilt topper?
No, well, this actually is like a covered quilt.
Yeah.
But what happened is, once in a while.
All right. This looks like an old serape blanket or something.
Huh?
Is this an old serape blanket? Or I don't know.
Oh, it's actually it's a,
We're all down to the top. We got the bottom and the top, and that's it. And then we'll put it all back.
hey, hold on, you didn't see.
Oh wait. Get in front of you gotta show them.
I might be cold, I need it.
Where did you get that?
I don't know.
It is kind of cute-ish. It's not like authentic. It's like,
White?
oh, I kind of like the white better.
Blue, yeah.
Yeah. It's okay to keep things you love. Okay.
No, when Barbara and I went to South Dakota.
When you went to South Dakota in March and it was still snowing.
Yeah.
The end of March.
It was cold.
So you
It
got
was cold.
We're doing boots. Okay. Yeah. I have to say it. I mean, I love you, but you have a lot of boots for living in Florida.
I like boots.
Well, you do. Well, you wear them. You used to wear them to school with your
I did.
tights and things, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's dirty.
Don't worry, but we'll get it.
That's
We'll
cleaner.
sweep it out a little bit.
I'll vacuum later, okay?
Yeah. Don't worry about it. We're just going
These
through
need
the
to be,
dusted.
these need to be fixed.
What do you mean fix? You can buy a new pair. How much is it going to cost to fix them? Oh, no.
No, what?
No, those need to go. They're rotted. You can do it.
You don't understand how it is for me breaking in boots with my feet.
I know.
And it doesn't. Yeah, and it doesn't.
What brand are these? Are these aerosols?
I don't know what they are.
Hey, the magazines are a good idea to keep in your boots to keep them standing up. That's smart. I use the towel holders.
Yeah.
They're not as they're flimsy. Paper
Well,
towel
roll
holders.
2 or 3 together.
Magazines? Yeah.
It's cheaper than buying them.
Oh yeah, why buy them? Well, I mean, if you know somebody that can fix them and they really fit well, then yeah.
No, the guy's gone that used to fix them. So
Nobody does that anymore, fortunately, right?
yeah, unfortunately.
Well, what, you got 2 pairs? Are those gray or black?
Those are gray.
Okay, so you got dark gray, you got dark brown.
Yeah, I like black, but I thought I should get rid of them.
Yeah, I'm sorry. We'll find you some more. Wide-ish.
Well, that piece right there is what kills me.
Yeah, you gotta find something that's comfy.
So this and this.
Yay! You did it. I'm proud of you. Now you can slide these down. You have more room for the... I think I'm showing off my butt. I like those warm ones. Okay, I got these wrong. I got the doors wrong. Oh, you got more room. There you go. Perfect. I'm so excited. It's all about the little things. It's all the little things. All right, we're going to turn it off. Okay, guys, we're making progress. We've only been doing this for an hour, and we're almost done. We've done quite a bit. We got a little section for candles, and this is a little basket for her granddaughter's bathing suits for the lake. They can reach it. They can come in and get it. And you put the things, and my aunt is quite short, so we put things that she doesn't use that often up here, like some antique bedding, some Christmas bedding, things like that. She can reach the sheets. And on the other side, we have the beach towels for the lake. And this is winter bedding. And Christmas towels. Okay, so far so good. This is our to-go pile so far. I'll keep you posted. And she's doing a great job. Oh yeah, it looks really good. Hey guys, looks really good. Organized, she knows where everything is. In her big giant closet, which is wonderful. Okay, right? And this is, we're gonna get eventually she's gonna get a nice tin for these, and because she's got more of the napkin rings, but she doesn't know where they are. So when she finds them, we'll get a little bucket here and put those there, but that'll work for now. Just use what you have. Candles, she got rid of some of those. There's some keepsake items. And this is gifts right down here. She's got a little gift pile for grandkids and friends and stuff. And she has room to put more. There's room. Yep. And there's everything up high that she can't reach. She doesn't need right now, so that's fine. Yay! Stuff that goes other places or needs to make decisions on. Hey guys, I took that stuff from my aunt's house to a great thrift store called Angels in the Attic. It's a non-profit. It's great. Here it is, here. And they give to the Boys and Girls Club. They divide up what they make and they give it to the Boys and Girls Club, the Humane Society, the Women's Shelter, all kind of good places. They have a whole list inside, so that's why I like to give to them. In a pinch, I do go to Goodwill, but I try to go here. And they have little tents outside since COVID, so it's really easy. You just drop it off. And I don't need a receipt because nowadays you can't really deduct anything. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you my closet. And this has taken time to get to this point, trust me. It doesn't happen overnight. And I still think I have too many throws. I live in Florida, for Pete's sake. But, the bottom one's a handmade one I got from these young girls at a craft show. And I like it to, I can decorate with them in the seasons. My favorite one is the pink fluffy one. And there's one with my cat on it my sister got me. It was really cute. It's very cute. Yes, I have 3 beach towels. I have one, actually I have 4. I have one in the laundry. And I see 3 spare towels. I've got one in each bathroom, so that's 5. Yeah, I think that's all I have is 5 towels. Like an extra one, And just in case. I have a limit on my little towels, hand towels. Behind that's washcloths because I use washcloths. There's only 6. That's it. Because I change those more often. And then there's some more hand towels. Hand towels, towels, and then sheets. They're a little messy. I'm not perfect, right? I'm not perfect.
of course. No, please, I'm far from it. And pillowcases on one side. So basically I have 2 queen beds. They have a set of sheets on them right now. There's one spare set for mine, and then there's some Christmas sheets. And that's it. You know, I have a lot more room up there. And again, God knows why they wallpaper the closet. Even on the ceiling, can you see that? Oh God, this is gonna be a bear to take all this out. And I'm just not gonna do it right now. But remember, this is one of the easiest ones, you know? Clothes, linen closets, under the sink. Work that muscle, work that decluttering muscle, and you can start and come back. It usually takes a good 3 pass-throughs to get it really done right. You're just making a stronger muscle. All right, and as Dana K. White says, from a slop comes clean. That's her channel, and I'll link it below. You know, let the container be the bad guy. And this is my linen closet, so that's it. That's all that can fit in here. So if I bring something in, I'm gonna let something go because I don't like clutter. You guys know that.